Hello, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to share your project on Capcut. Well, without any further ado, it's really simple, and I'm not going to waste your time. It's just here. Okay, click that, and you'll have a lot of options to share it on Facebook, whatever. You just search your preferred shared platform right there. But you also have to, if you have to save it, just click export. But since this is a new project that I'm working in right now for a video, I'm just showing you guys this an additional tutorial for you guys. So this is where I edit my videos for the channel, and you can actually add texts here if that's what you want. You just have to make sure that your video is on quality first. And a tip also that I'd like to give you guys is that you have to actually take time on the rendering, on the export. Choose 4K if you have to, because if you do not, your editing is not worth it if you do not use it on 4K. Anyways, that's just it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.